Taxes, inflation, market volatility. Yes, these are tumultuous times, no doubt about it. But in this short video, unfortunately, you're going to learn why a significant portion of your IRA or 401k doesn't actually belong to you. Welcome to the Overland Retirement Strategist channel. My name is Greg Smith. I've been advising clients now for over 2 decades, helping high net worth clients and individuals reduce their tax exposure, increase their efficiency, and take control over their retirement income. This is the launch of a crusade to educate and empower as many people as possible with the same exact knowledge and strategies the wealthy have been using for decades. Now, I'm a full-time overlander living my dream life while I am on a passionate crusade to help others do the exact same thing. Your dream may not be living on the road like this, but whatever your dream is, we want to help you get there. And we want to help awaken as many people to how money really works. So let's jump into today's video. You have a silent partner in your retirement account. One of the biggest risks I see, especially with successful retirees, is what I call the IRA and the 401k tax trap. For years, people have been told, in my humble opinion, very bad advice: defer your taxes. You're going to be at a lower tax bracket when you retire. But if you built meaningful wealth, that's usually not what happens at all, as we know. Instead, as your accounts grow, your tax liability grows and compounds over time simultaneously to your wealth growing. And by the time you reach RMD age, or what we call required minimum distributions, you lose control. Now the IRS, they get to determine when you take withdrawals, how much you take, how much you pay in taxes. So the real risk isn't just taxes, it's losing control over when and how you pay them. And every year that you delay planning, that exposure typically increases. What sophisticated investors do, they approach this differently. They reposition their wealth. They don't wait. One of the strategies that I help them with, they start beginning to reposition systematically over time using the available space within their current tax brackets. Because if you don't use that space, you lose that space. One of my strategies that I use is called a strategic rollout. Some may be familiar with that term, most are not. And that's because it's a disciplined way the wealthy have been using for decades to move their money out of these tax-deferred accounts while managing it, and in some cases offsetting that tax impact. So the goal isn't avoiding paying taxes. We go to jail for that, right? It's controlling them. And let me give you a simple example. I have a client who owned a real estate property free and clear. That made him feel so safe. It made him feel secure. But the problem is, from a financial perspective, that equity wasn't working as efficiently as it could. Remember, we help you with efficiency. So by repositioning a portion of that equity, I was able to reintroduce tax-deductible interest, improve his liquidity and his cash flow, and create meaningful tax deductions. We use those deductions now to offset money that was coming out of his IRA. So instead of waiting and being forced into larger, fully tax-deductible withdrawals later on, you're taking control now, and we show you how to do that. Not only are you reducing your long-term tax and market risk exposure, but you're also creating tax-free retirement income. So if you have a significant portion of your wealth sitting inside of these tax-deferred accounts, it may be time to evaluate how exposed you really are. Click the link below here, schedule a brief strategy call, and we'll walk you through exactly how this could look for your unique situation. And please don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button. That way you'll be notified every time we drop new educational content. This channel is for you. It's all about educating and empowering individuals. Share this with people you know, love, and care about. This is our crusade to educate the masses over time. Thanks for watching today. Live with passion and purpose. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. And remember, make it a great day.